Hello, my name is Carlos Eduardo Bermeo. I am from Colombia. I am glad to greet you. Now, I want to share a Colombian food recipe. The recipe is Ajiaco Colombiano, Colombian chicken and potato soup. The ingredients are 3 chickens, braised skin to remove, 10 scoops of water. Now, 3 ears fresh corn cooked into 2 pieces, salt and pepper to taste, 2 chickens volume scoops, and 3 escargots. 2 garlics, cloves minced, 3 tablespoons chopped cilantro, and uh, 2 cups papa criolla and dinner potatoes, 3 medium white potatoes, peeled and sliced, 1 cooked huascas. Huascas is a typical in Colombia. 1 cup capers for servings. This is the preparation of Ajiaco Colombiano. The first is in a large pot, place the chickens, core chickens, volume, cilantro, scallions, garlic, salt, and Peppers. Add the water and bring boiled. Then reduce heat to medium and cook for about 30 uh, to 35 minutes until chicken is cooked and tender. Remove the chicken and set aside. This is the first. The second is continue cooking the corn for about 25 minutes. Discard green onions and red red potatoes, white potatoes, and the huascas cooked for 25 minutes. 25 minutes. Uncover and the frozen papa criolla and simmer for 25 minutes. Season with salt and peppers, okay? Peppers. The fourth is cook the chicken meat into small pieces and return to the pot. Serve the ajiaco hot with capers and heavy cream on the side. Thank you. God bless you.